Hey, what's up, y'all? We made it to Las Vegas InfoComm 2018. It's crazy out here. It's hectic. There's a lot of people, and man, we can't wait to get inside. Just got my badge, about to jump in. That's right. You know it. But before we talk about InfoComm 2018, just wanted to let you guys know that this is one of the videos where you can comment to gain additional entries for our GoPro giveaway, where we'll be giving not one, not two, but 3 GoPro heroes. So make sure you drop a comment below to increase your chances of winning. Now back to InfoComm 2018, we're gonna go in there. There's a lot happening. There's a ton of people here. We're gonna do some mingling, and we're gonna get a glimpse of what the future has to offer when it comes to pro AV and audio visuals. Watch out, because there's gonna be a lot of great technology for your eyes to feast on. So hang tight and let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to InfoComm 2018. Make sure that you subscribe to BZBTV for your chance to win a GoPro.
Yep, test 1, 2, 3.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Con Dunning with Adder Technology. We are the global leader in high performance KVM over IP solutions. We're at InfoComm.
Man, I never seen that jetpack before. Oh, excuse me, guys. You know, hey, hard work here at InfoComm, but you know, we gotta take a break sometimes and, you know, just take a little breather. Playing some Fortnite right now. So just,
famous girl.
I gotta sign a waiver.
Signing his life, yes.
I felt like I was in the Fast and the Furious. Like I was with Vin Diesel was sitting right next to me with Paul Walker, rest in peace, man. Like he was with me in spirit, guiding me along. It was pretty cool. What a day. Day 1 here is over at InfoComm 2018 Las Vegas. We saw a lot of exciting, buzzworthy technology, new solutions, new products. We did a lot of walking, a lot of visiting, but it was all worth it. Hope you guys enjoyed day 1's footage. We are now here at the park. It's a new area they have at InfoComm, a place you can relax, recharge your batteries, figuratively and literally. They serve free beer here during the last hour, you know, free 99. So me and my colleague, Mr. Cameraman, once the red light is off, you know where we're going. Hope you guys tune in for day 2. We will be here for the next 2 days. Make sure you tune in. Also, don't forget to subscribe to BZBTV, like this video, support us, and also comment so you guys could get your entries in for that GoPro Hero. I guess that's it. My name is Joel, Mr. Cameraman Florante, signing off. We shall see you tomorrow.